In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on mobile. Start by opening your browser. Any should work, then go to the Roblox website. Make sure you're on the official Roblox site. Then tap on the Continue in Browser button. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Then select Create from the top. Alternatively, you can select More in the Roblox app, then tap on Create. This will open the Roblox Creator Hub. Tap on the three-line button to open the side menu, then select Creations. Select one of your experiences. You should have a default experience which you can use for Please Donate. You may need to tap on your experience twice to open it. Tap on the three-line button again to open the side menu, then swipe up and find the Monetization heading. Select Passes from just below. Tap on the Create a Pass button. Here you will see the default Game Pass image. Other players can see this in Please Donate. If you want to change your Game Pass image, then tap on the Change button. Select where you want to upload the image from. You can select Photo Library to choose an image from your mobile. Select the image you want to use, then tap the check mark to confirm. Go down and select the name box, then give your Game Pass a name. I'll just be calling mine Game Pass, but you can name yours differently. Add a description if you want, then tap on the Create Pass button. Wait for the page to load, then tap on your Game Pass to open the settings. You may need to tap on it twice. Open the side menu again, then open the Sales page. Enable the Item for Sale option, then select the default price box. Set the price to the amount you want to be on the donation button. Keep in mind, you will only receive 60% of the donation amount. Uncheck the Enable Regional Pricing box, then Save Changes. Open the side menu again. Then tap on the Back to Passes button. Repeat the process to create all the Game Passes you want. Each Game Pass is one donation button. You will typically want them to all be different prices. Open the side menu again, then select Settings. Find the privacy setting, then set it to Public. Scroll down and save changes. If you can't make your experience public, then tap on the Learn More button and select Manage. Then follow the steps to complete the questionnaire and give your experience a rating. Once done, you can then refresh the page and set your experience to public. Play Please Donate, then find an unclaimed stand. Hold down on the Claim button to claim the stand. Hold down on the Edit Stand button to edit the stand, or tap on the pencil icon on the side. Select Booth. If you have unlocked any booths, then you can select it from here to change how your stand looks. Tap on the cross to go back. Select Text. Delete the existing text. Then type a message that will be seen above your stand. Press Return or Enter to confirm. Then tap on the cross to close. Scroll down and make any other changes you want. You can change the font and font color of your message. Tap on the cross to close the stand settings. You now know how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.